Good morning, friends. There was a request from our one of the client who purchased my machine long back. He wanted to know how to operate this double well healing vibration potentizer. Okay, so for his purpose and for everybody else, I am doing this video. First, let us decide which combination or which vibration you want to make. I am selecting as per the calming pills and potency is 30. Okay, then let me go to the my card list where I kept my tray. So I am taking this calming. Then I have to insert. There is a slot in below the inwell. There is below the inwell there is a slot, card slot. So you have to go to that card slot and insert. It is just inserted into the slot which is just below the inwell. So you can see that potency is 30. So this is the potentizers. You will find different type of potentizer, means dial. Now there is a potency written on the side of the wall of the machine. See 30C potency. What is the number? 316. So we have to set this knob to 316. 316. 3 10 15. This is 316. Here in the EAT division is 2. So now I have set to 316. Now after this we have to keep in what you want to potentize. I means make the remedy. I am just keeping water in the out disc. See, it is written as out. Keep it here and leave it for 3 minutes. And some of my machines are powered machines. So there you keep it for 1.5 minutes. Because when you push that button, it will be there for 1.5 minutes. So now you see the calming remedy will be ready in 3 minutes without any power supply. Thank you.